The lives of the people of Fisherman's Town had always been tied to the sea. Fishing provided them with food and wealth for centuries. As time went by, though, greed struck the fishermen and led them to fish in deeper and deeper waters until they reached a long dormant evil that should have never been touched. Skyfish, the lord of the deep seas, outraged at this insolence, awakened and rose to the skies. Under Skyfish's command, abyssal creatures took over the surface world and turned free men into mutant slaves of his vengeful reign. Families were torn apart and not even the innocent were spared, like me and my little brother. As I was about to lose all hope, I was found by Primordial Being, the legendary moon whale, warden of the seas. She saved me and prepared me to face Skyfish's armies and rescue my brother. And thus, my journey begins.
Well then, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And this is Legend of the Skyfish. I don't know about this game yet. I just saw it in the interwebs. So without further ado, let's start playing it with my new controller, Wuchang. Yeah, I love my controller. Oh man, Moonwell, okay. The time to take down the Skyfish's reign of terror has come. Little Red Hook, the path to him, is guarded by his captains and the traps and minions they command. Each guardian is warded by totems spread throughout the islands of his realm. You must destroy these totems in order to get to him. Okay, my longtime friend, physics, okay, of the flying fish folk, you will accompany and guide you on your journey. Your first destination, the western ruins. May the sea winds blow in your favor. Okay, so level 1. Ugh. Okay. Oh. What the hell? Oh, okay. Oh, right analog, alright. Okay, oh, combat game, okay. I thought this is I thought the game, my first impression was action, simulation like game. Okay, I was wrong. Oh, there you go. There you go. Ow. Okay. Destroyed. Okay, level 2. Western ruins. Alright then. Okay, no. Okay. Oh. Okay. Here you go. Okay. I would never thought this is like Super Mario style leveling. Oh, nope. Come here. There you go. I know. You need not to worry. Okay, it's fine per level. Maybe 5 levels per episode. Oh, okay. Sorry. Stupid naman. Or 6. Or 6, I think. Depends. Okay, level 3. Oh. Uy. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nope. And then by the way, Bear Months is already here, so when October rolls around, I will play a lot of horror games. So a little bit of a horror month for me. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, first puzzle, I think. Barely a puzzle. Alright. Okay. Oh, no. No. There you go. Oh man. Let's go back. There you go. Barely touching that. Oh my god. Almost. Another one. Alright then. Oh. Oh, no. And by the way, I can't remove this. And not remove this thing. So, but I'm using a but I'm using a controller. So you know, if you just for your information, so I can play without being anxious on touchscreen. Sometimes touchscreen controls are very horrible. Most of the time. Ow. So I bought this controller to take that itch. Oh, so... Ow. Ow, that was stupid. That was a stupid puzzle. Okay. Level 4. Oh, no, no, no. Your range. Ow, 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 ow. Nice. Oh, shit. Ow. Okay, press it. It bug out again. Oof. Okay, thank you. No. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay. Okay. Touch screen, please. Let's repeat the mistake. Let's repeat that. That was mistake. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. So, okay. Ano? Oh, a cover. All right. 1, 2. Oh. Ow. Yeah. There you go. Oh dear. That was it, right? No. Wait. Why are you? Wait. Let's go here and then. Okay, nope. I cannot do that yet. Ow. I know. Okay. Okay, what was it? Fish lasher equip. Wait, let me look. Oh! That was an upgrade. Okay. Oh my god, nope. Oh, okay. Let's do a little bit of a cheat. Maybe my next move is here. Yep. It seems I was correct. And then I was having a 1 heart only. Ugh. Too upsetting for me. Oh, 4. Oh dear, nope. Oh dear. There you go. Wee. Okay, another level. Huh? Oh. Okay, my equipment. Okay, wait. Red hood. Regular garments with no special effects. A rod with a longer range shockwave. Simple hook, normal hook with no special attributes. This one, please. Okay, rod. Nothing. Oh, right then. Nothing. Okay. Oh my god. Oh man, I am sorry everybody for the coverage of the game. Cannot fix that. I'm really sorry. Okay. Ow, ow, ow. I always forgot that. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. There you go. Oh no, not this. Okay. There you go. Dead. The keyboard can work also far more better this. Ow. Okay. Oh really? Okay. Okay, this is the end of the video for now, everybody. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their